In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up with the Wise app. Whether you're familiar with Wise or are using it for the first time, these steps will make sure you can add funds to your account smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening the Wise app on your device and logging into your account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need them to access your account securely. If you need to, take a moment to reset your password or recover your account details before moving on. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find the currency balance you wish to add money to. Wise allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies, so take a second to ensure you're selecting the correct one. This is where you'll tap on the currency balance. It will often be displayed on your main dashboard within the app. Once you tap on the right currency, look for the option that says plus add or add money. This is your gateway to topping up, so don't hesitate to click through. After entering the adding money section, it's time to input the amount you wish to top up. Carefully type in the figure, ensuring it matches your intended transaction, and double check that the currency is correct. This is crucial, especially if you're handling multiple currencies. Wrong currency choice can lead to unnecessary exchange fees, so be vigilant. Following the amount and currency confirmation, it's time to select your payment method. Wise provides flexibility here. You have several options to choose from based on your preferences. You might choose a bank transfer, which typically involves a manual, low-cost transfer directly from your own bank account. Simply follow any prompts to complete this choice. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can opt to use a debit or credit card, or even a digital wallet like Apple Pay. Keep in mind that using cards or digital wallets might incur additional fees, so review the costs associated with each option. Before finalizing your transaction, it's important to review all potential fees and the estimated arrival time for your funds. Carefully consider this information to make sure you're comfortable with the transaction details. Once you're satisfied, tap to proceed and follow the on-screen steps to complete the payment process. Each method will guide you through its specific requirements. Finally, after confirming and completing your transaction, you'll need to wait for your funds to show up in your account. Depending on the payment method you've chosen, this can be instant or take a few hours to a couple of days. Be mindful of this waiting period and plan your transactions accordingly so there aren't any unexpected delays in accessing your funds. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you'll successfully add money to your Wise app, making managing your finances that much easier. Thanks for tuning in and happy transacting.